Our haul. Go. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. So many pretty packages. Also, look at these gorgeous flowers. They're from Fairfield Flowers. I'm obsessed. Ranunculus. I don't know if I said that right. Ranunculus. Let's unbox some PR, shall we? First up, nude sticks. Love them. Female, I know I say this every time. Female owned, founded, and Canadian. So this is their Glow Peptide Serum. Now, I don't have a lot of nude sticks skincare. I usually have tried their makeup. Also, this box is 100% biodegradable. Very cool. I'm very excited about this. I believe, I don't know when this is going up, but there is some kind of promotion with this on the website right now. Marcel. I believe they're Canadian as well. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure they're Canadian. I believe this is new. Inner Glow Serum Foundation. That sounds right up my alley. I love, right now I'm wearing the Super Glow Skin Tint. So this is 3% niacinamide and a dewy finish. This sounds amazing. You can find Marcel at Shoppers Drug Mart. We have a glow enhancer and primer, a hydrating lotion, and what are these? Ooh, cheek and lip multi-stick. I didn't know they even made these. Ooh, cool. So it's kind of giving like ours multi-stick vibes. Oh, that's way pigmented than I expected. Cheek and lip color. This is in Classically Rose. Cool. Excited. We love a Canadian business. Mario Badescu. Now, Badescu, I think I said that right. You can find their stuff at Sephora. So they used to be super popular back in the day. And the OG YouTube girlies used to always use their facial spray. I have used this drying lotion for pimples before. We also have a mint lip balm. Amazing. Very exciting. Glycolic foaming cleanser. Sounds amazing. What's interesting about them is they've never changed their packaging. Their packaging has stayed consistent their whole time, which I find very interesting. And obviously it's easily recognizable. This one, how freaking adorable. So this looks like it's in a takeout container. So it says Blur Filler Blurring Lip Contour. I actually ordered some of these. I always say this, guys. I want to show you. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look. This is, I love this PR package. This is minimal waste, maximum product, maximum output. This is how PR packages always should be done. So we have the new lip contours. So these are meant to like overline your lips, which I love overlining my lips. I've never had lip filler, but it's like a puzzle, but I do like overlining my lips. So they also sent, see how they did this? They maximized the product. So not only did I get this, but I got the Hyaluron lip oil. It's just very smart. Instead of sending a whole box, not saying any names, saying a whole box with one product. I don't think this is plumping. I will let you know in a few minutes. This is shade Worth It. I feel like that's like your signature shade. Lip contours. We're going to swatch one and then some I will put in giveaways for you guys. Also, let me know in the comments what you want to win in future giveaways so I can add it to our pile. If you are not following, you're going to be missing out on a ton of giveaways. We actually just posted a huge one. It's a whole suitcase full of goodies. So hopefully it's still available when you see this. So that's what that looks like. I did 2. So this is shade Nude Espresso. I believe this is the lightest shade to overline your lips and contour your lips. Very exciting. Thank you for all the goodies and all the shades. I will definitely be putting some of those in future giveaways. Next, we have a small Canadian business, Hydrated Leaf. I love their stuff. Now, I've been using this like crazy, so they restocked me. Ooh, I think this is new. Coconut Dreams CBD infused milk bath. So everything is CBD infused. We have a pain stick. I'm going to use this right now. No time like the present. This is a topical pain stick. I love these. I always have like neck and shoulder pain. It also smells so good. Glow Tox tea. Oh my God, exciting. I love CBD products. And if you're wondering, oh, it's going to get you high, it doesn't. So CBD is not the part of the plant that gets you high. It's very good for pain relief, inflammation, etc. My dad takes CBD oil every day. He has Parkinson's. So it can be good for all kinds of things. This is a CBD infused body lotion. I'm just using everything right now. Anyway, check them out. They're Canadian. We love that. Female owned, female founded. Again, we love that. I can't wait. I want to try this tea right now. Also, let me know in the comments. Ooh, Caudalie. I don't even have a cutter. Where are all my cutters? Let me know in the comments if you like this style of PR video or you like when oh, oops, I could have just done this. There's literally a pull tab on the top. Silly me. Anyway, if you like this better or you like when I just unbox it with my hands and do a voiceover. Totally love their stuff. Absolutely love it. You can find it at Sephora. So they restocked me on the Vino Perfect. Oh, great. I love this serum. I use this serum every single day. This is like their Glamzilla made this. Oh, there's a big one. So they set the normal size and a jumbo size. Amazing. This serum, I use it every single day. Amazing for brightening dark spots. Bigger is better with the new Vino Perfect jumbo size. Dark spots visibly reduced by 63%. Dark spots visibly reduced on deeper skin tones, 81%. exciting. Also, I think you can get Caudalie on Amazon as well, actually. So we will be linking all of these products for you. Ooh. Ashley, don't throw this bag out. Don't throw this bag out. Anyway, I love a cute gift bag, and also I use it for like gifting items to people in giveaways. So I like to keep them. How cute is this Estee Lauder? This is the new Daywear Glow Boost Jelly Cleanser. Oh, interesting. I guess it probably doesn't usually come in this when you buy it, but this is what it looks like. This sounds so good. Glow Boost Jelly Cleanser sounds amazing. This is Daywear Multi-Purpose Moisture Cream. I love the color. It matches the bag. I love the color so much. Perfect for spring, summer. Guys, that's everything for this PR haul. Let me know what you want to win in future giveaways. Let me know if you like these videos. Let me know if I should keep doing them or not do them. Or holla at your girl. Hope you have an amazing day. Bye.